Good afternoon, Bastien from BVN Real Estate. We are in the very windy afternoon, and today, 23rd of July, facing the bay of San Juan Del Sur from far. It's like a 4 kilometers drive we had to arrive on the one neighborhood hills of San Juan del Sur with a quarter acre lot, a bit more than quarter acre. Divide in two space. We have like a third of the quarter acre here, and the 2/3 over there. And it's a very interesting listing price. This lot is listed at $50,000. So it makes it probably expensive, but look, you have a paved road to arrive, and it has been a drive of 600 or 500 meters to join the main road from the lot, or the lot from the main road. And it's quite flat, so it's an easy building. And we have like a large view over the bay. I see the crystal statue, not sure you see it on the camera, probably here better. So two area could be divided into if you want to build two houses. Is what is good. There is no like building restriction here. On air, yes, there is, but if not, you can build like several units on your lot. So here we have like a north view. North view, you see on the right of the video the hills of Pelican Ice. An old resort become a residence, and he has like probably like 40 houses inside. Here is the second area. So very flat, he has a very better view actually. So our access is very good by car, doesn't need 4x4 to get in. We have a 4x4, but any cars will climb and arrive into the lot. And we have this so second terrace, which is like about 600 or 700 square meters. So it's 2/3 of a quarter acre, sorry for the conversion. And if you look west, I cannot zoom, we miss a piece of our camera, so we cannot zoom anymore. But we have like a very nice view over the bay of San Juan del Sur, and it has been like a 6-7 minute drive to arrive there. So it's something very convenient because we are almost in town or near the central area. Beaches are still very near, and since so we have like 7-8 minutes to drive to the San Juan beach, but Remonso beach will be like a 18 minutes, 20 minutes maximum. So Madeiras will be like 25 minutes or 30 minutes, let's say, okay, to be honest, to be big, honest and large. So large lot, divided in two parts. From the access road there is not much. So behind my car we have probably like 15 meters more. But we have this terrace, very interesting terrace, I like it. We will see it from the other part, but with a view all over the terrace, and it's flat, so it's I will say an easy building lot. It has the high tension line very near, just there, and you have to pay a chair for the well to have water provided into your lot. So you see this large terrace. I hope the sound is okay because there is a lot of wind today. So you see the ocean view, it's nice actually. I like the lot. And price is good, so it's exactly I think 1170 square meters. So it's almost a third of an acre. So we have like from the view I have, I'm not full west. I will say like, I'm west southwest. And you see the power line just behind us. So I guess you have to probably buy transformators to be able to hook you up. But we will have this info. I will ask the owners what's going on about this. So possibility also to have extension of the lot going down a bit. There is an additional lot for sale from the same owner, so you can expand it. I guess the totals you could have like it'd be half an acre, will be interesting. But for now we list a big quarter acre or small third acre, and it's normally $50,000 the listing price, sorry. So our access is here. Okay, thank you to follow us. Please keep continue, subscribe to our channels, say like to put a like to our video, comment it and say you like it, you like the way I present it to you, and keep following us.